Okay, this is the blue collar tourist at the Venetian in Las Vegas, Nevada. Never stayed here before, and I'll tell you why I'm staying here in a moment. But let's go through the whole suite. It's an all-suite property, and I'll give you the price and everything and why I did it. You walk in, you got it's a pretty big bathroom. The makeup mirror thing. Another big lighted mirror, double vanities, big tub. Got the shower and the toilet cubicle. Like I said, this was recently remodeled. Never stayed here, don't know what it looked like before. I imagine they just like this, but this is just new, right? Maybe. The luggage caddy thing, big TV. Some drawers here. You got a closet for your luggage. A wall safe. It's pretty deep. You can, even though it's one of those vertical ones, you can stick most of your shit in there. You know, it's big enough for a laptop even. No outlets, just wall outlets. So no USB, no USB-C kind of deal. Like I said, it's all suite. The air is kicking in here. I had to actually turn it down because it was like 60 degrees in here. It was like a meat locker. Look, this is nice. This is nice, like living room setup. Everything gravy here. They have a relationship with Hyatt, and that's why I'm staying here. One of these will be a mini bar. Okay, you got a mini fridge, so you can go buy some water and stuff. I'm only staying here one night. And there's the mini bar. Don't touch it. Don't touch this shit either. It's expensive. You got a couch here. Is it pull out? It is pull out. So you can stack multiple bodies in here if you need to. And here's the view. That was the Mirage. It's now what's left of the Mirage and the beginnings of Hard Rock. It's progress. I don't know. I like construction. I mean, I don't want to say I like construction sites. I don't mind the view is what I'm trying to say. You know, it's interesting watching this stuff go up. I wonder if they're working well, they probably can't work 24/7, but it is what it is. Progress. You're close to Harrah's. Link is right there. Caesars. You can even see the Rio and Palms over there, which is where I just came from, the Palms, which is really nice. So the reason why I'm here, first off, the rate, $162 for the night, including a resort fee. You can't get around the resort fee, even though I'm globalist. No breakfast here. Early check-in and late check-out. They gave me till 2. I checked in at noon, or, you know, quarter to noon. So why would I stay here? Hyatt has a thing called Brand Explorer, and for every 5 brands, it's kind of like playing bingo. For every 5 brands you check off, you get a free category 1 through 4 award. So I paid $165 about for this room. I'll get a free category 1 through 4 award that I can use at any Hyatt. That's category 1 through 4. Obviously, you try to maximize it. Go for a category 4. It's not hard to find a category 4 for $250, $350, $350. So a little bit of arbitrage, you know, as far as my strategy here. I can't stay here all the time. It's expensive. The comp thing, I'm a nickel and dimer, so I'm not even going to play here to try to get comps or anything like that. It was literally the only reason why I'm staying here, because it was $160. And on the ass end of the deal, when I get the Hyatt award, which comes like automatically when you check out, like the next day or whatever, I'll have that in my app, and I can apply that for a next Hyatt stay. So, you know, a little bit of a spend $160 to get $250, $350 kind of deal here. And that's that. I mean, this is a good option. It's beautiful. The lobby is beautiful. I'll try to walk through the lobby and take video. I can show you this floor. It's nice. You know, just there's another lobby. Like you take an elevator, get off at 10, and then you take another elevator. It's one of those places. It's really pretty. It's really well done. It does look like some of the stuff you've seen in Venice, which is a, great city. Go there. I went there in January. It was still busy, but obviously a lot less busy than it would be in summertime, and if you go to Venice, don't pack heavy bags, man, because you got to take them up and over the bridges, and there's a lot of bridges and a lot of bullshit. Actually, you probably end up paying a guy to come haul your stuff in and out of town, that there was guys doing that. I'll take a video of the lobby, video of the entrance coming in, what I can. I'm not comfortable on the casino floors. I'm not a big creator where I could say, hey, can I take a video of your place? All right, I'm not even a creator. I don't even like saying I'm a guy with an iPhone, But some people got the okay to walk through, but they got a million viewers, you know what I mean? And they can walk through wherever, and the casino hooks them up. I don't have that. Matter of fact, a couple times I just kind of do it like guerrilla style, but I gotten caught. I was at, where was I? I was somewhere, and they told me, hey, put the phone away, dude, So, and I wasn't even I was videoing the restaurant, you know what I mean? Not the casino floor, but they were just like, hey, man, don't do that. So, I don't know, I'll video what I can. And, hey, we're creeping up on 500 subscribers. I want to say thank you for everybody that watches this and finds value. Also want to say thank you to Dan and his wife, Chung. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. It's spelled different to me than it sounds, so it throws me off, and I apologize. A lot of viewers, a lot of subscribers came in from that. I really appreciate that, and I owe him, a solid. So thank you, Dan from Vagabond Awake, and Dan from Vagabond Awake, and his girlfriend, Chung. I hope I pronounced that right, because I can't. The spelling is different than the way it sounds to me, and I'm stupid. So that's that. But thank you for 500 people to watch this. It was weird, like you start this channel, the first person that subscribes, and you're like, oh, who was that? And then 10 people, and then like 50, and then 100, like these little milestones. And, there's people with 500,000 subscribers. I'm happy, more than thrilled, and 500 people watch this, so that's that. Thank you. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. This is the Venetian. So far, so good. I'm going to go get something to eat and try to film some more of this place. Thanks for watching. All right, so this is the pool garden at the Venetian. I've never been here. It's really nice, man. See how I can do this without annoying everybody in this fucking place. It's pretty. Got the arches. A small but nice pool. It's really pretty. I don't know. I like it.